Think Like a Scientist by Heidi B. Romer. I saw a big coconut float. It drifted along like a boat. This made me think, what floats? What sinks? So I made a list and I wrote a penny, a pencil, a block. Which items will sink like a rock? A straw? A crayon? A cup? Which objects will float to the top? I think I know what will sink when it's tossed in the tub with a splash. I predict that a spoon and toy car will sink to the bottom fast. How do I prove that it's true? I know just what to do. I can't simply guess. I must do a test. An experiment's fun to do too. I test each item as noted and record what sank and what floated. I've made my conclusion, woohoo! Just like real scientists do. The scientific method: observe, hypothesize, experiment, conclusion. Thanks for watching.